here, just like this. You gotta cut concrete this way right here. You gotta put pipe. You gotta dig this catch basin up and clean it out. Just clean it out, then we gotta flush the water and see if it's gonna go to the next one up there. There's another catch basin right here. Take the top of it off. Clean that dirt out of there. Okay, then put this back on. Okay. So there's a hole right there. We gotta keep the dirt from going in this other pipe. Okay. Then we gotta run water to it and make sure it's running out. The pipe is gonna come to this one, go to this one, and then it's gonna run through this way. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be fixing water problems that we see in the driveway. I mean, as you can see, it's kind of a driveway that dips and it runs towards the garage. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in some catch basins, mainly 3. We got to cut out some concrete, put pipe in, and we're actually going to put a water pump to make sure that the water pushes away from the house and on out into the yard. So as you can see near this garage, there's like a barrier there to keep the water from coming in, because the water runs straight off of this driveway towards the garage. That's just the way it's angled. So we're basically going to put in 3 catch basins. We're going to cut a path for the water to travel. We're going to install pipe, and we're going to have a water pump push all the water out into the yard. So essentially the water that collects, it runs into a catch basin, and when the water collects to a certain level, the water pump turns on, and then it pushes that water that's collected out into the yard, and it does this cycle. So the water fills up in the catch basin to a certain level, the water pump cuts on, and then it pushes the water out into the yard. We also got to install like a little outlet to plug it up to the outside source of the house. We actually got to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and thanks again for watching.
ready? Sit. Let's down. Put it up. Keep going.
Alright, another box.
Keep going. Won't go no further. Okay. Just hold right there. Hey, don't let that stuff come down and shake off on the truck.
Alright, that's it.
Almost all the way around already. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold. Hey, look, wait a minute, Chuck. Hold it. You can't go off that trail. I'll tell you. I'm trying to pick this up, but what am I trying to do right here? Right here. Make it block. Right here. That's all. Alright. This shit is
It sound right,